Hello guys, as the year draws to a close, let us pause for a moment. Not to look back, but to look within. Each of us carries a journey, a story marked by triumphs, challenges, and lessons that have shaped the incredible person that we are today. Guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and my name is Ifeoluwa Adekunle. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. Here is my Vlogmas day 2, and in the background I have a makeup tutorial ongoing. But instead of me doing the same thing that I have always done on this channel, where I record my makeup process and tell you how it is being achieved, I would like us to do something different, and I would like us to talk about this year. Actually, I know that this year may not have been perfect. It is even rarely perfect. Some of us have faced struggles that have tested our strengths, heartbreaks that have weighed heavy on our hearts, or fears that have tried to silence our dreams. Yet, we are still here, the second day in December 2024, and we are all still standing strong and standing tall, and that is worth celebrating and emulating. I want us to take a moment to honor ourselves. It has not been easy. Think of the mountains you've climbed. Think of all the hurdles you have had to cross this year, the battles you fought, and the courage you have shown. Even on days that you felt like giving up. I really felt like giving up this year. This year was tough. No, it was terribly tough. But here we are. Here I am. Still here. Filled with gratitude, filled with thanksgiving. There's beauty in resilience, and that beauty lives in you. It lives in me. But as much as this is a time for reflection, it is also a time for renewal. One thing I want you to know is that a new year is not just a new calendar. It is also a new chapter. But I would rather say, why don't you start working on that new chapter now? Why do you have to wait for a new year before you start working on it? And what we feel the pages of the new chapter is what is done by you. This is entirely up to you. So I ask you, what will you leave behind this year? What do you intend on achieving next year? What are the things you want to work on? What are the goals you intend to achieve? All these are questions that lingers in my heart, and I know they linger in your heart. But you have to take some moment to actually meditate on this and think deeply. What is it that I want? What is it that I want to focus on? This year has taught you resilience. This year has taught you strength. Next year is for you to actualize those goals, and you can start by doing that now. I really want you to leave behind all that self-doubt, the fear of failure, and the voices that tell you are not enough. I felt that this year. I was scared, but I still tried. But we still keep trying. You can't stop trying. You can't stop trying. You can't relent. You can't give up. Instead, carry forward your passion, your determination, and the belief in your worth. You can do it. If A could have done it, nothing stops you from doing it. If somebody you saw on social media could have done it, there's nothing that stops you from doing it. Take that bold step. Take that leap. Dream bigger. Aim higher. And most importantly, believe in the power of you. You are limitless. Your potential is limitless. Whether you are starting that business next year or you are starting it now. If you want to pursue that degree or you are pursuing it next year. If you want to rebuild that relationship or you are simply showing yourself more love and care, know this, you are capable of more than you have imagined. And remember, no journey needs to be walked alone. Look around at the people in your life, your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your fathers, your mothers, your colleagues, your uncles. There is strength in our unity, power in our shared wisdom, and hope in our collective dreams. Having somebody to talk to is one of the priceless possessions you can have as a human being. knowing that there's someone you can confide in. Let us try to confide in the people that can motivate us, not those that will crush us. This is very important. Let us all lift each other and cheer for one another, and remind ourselves that when we support each other, there is no mountain too high. So, as the clock ticks forward, let us enter into this new year with a heart filled with gratitude, a spirit of boldness, and a mindset on growth. Let us make this year a year of empowerment, a year of breakthrough, a year of becoming the best version of ourselves. I intend on working on that, and this is why I am stretching myself to engage in this December challenge of posting a video every day. I don't know what that is that you need to work on, that will stretch you, that will make you feel like you are achieving something that you have always wanted to achieve, and you have to work towards it. Here is the time to start working on it. You don't need to wait till next year. Start working on your goals. Start trying to actualize them. Send that application. Send that message. Forgive that friend. Now is the time to do all that, because tomorrow might be too late. Next year might be too late. And I don't mean that we are losing anybody. We will not lose anybody this year. Neither shall we lose anybody next year. But there are just some things we need to work on. There are just some things we need to do to make sure that next year is an impactful year for us. So to the one who feels afraid to chase their dreams, I want you to take a moment and truly hear this. You are capable. You are worthy. You are enough. You can do this. You got this. Fear has a way of whispering doubts into our minds, telling us that we are not ready, we are not strong enough, or that failure is inevitable. That is the same way I felt when I wanted to embark on this. I am just a day in, and I feel so much fear already, because I have always wondered, can I do this? Can I achieve this? But let me remind myself of something powerful. Every person who has achieved something great felt fear too. They just did not allow it to stop them. So don't think you are the only one scared. Don't think you are the only one frightened of taking a bold step. Every person, everyone that has amounted to something great, that has achieved something worth emulating, that has accomplished something that looks unachievable, was scared at first, but the person took the bold step and actualized this. You don't have to have it all figured out before taking the first step or before taking the bold step. It is just like this beautiful makeup process you are watching right now. When I started, my face looked scary. It looked indescribable. It looked unexplainable. It looked like, how is this going to turn out and metamorphose into a beautiful look? But I had to start by taking the step of moisturizing my face first, then priming, then after that adding my foundation, then adding my concealer, then adding my powders, then adding my bronzers, before I added my blush, and then my lipstick, and my eyelashes, and my eyeshadow, and every other thing, before spraying it all together and everything came out to give a beautiful look. It is just the same way that you have to take the first step before everything turns out to look beautiful. The path might not be always clear. It might not be something you are accustomed to, and mistakes might happen along the way. Just like in this makeup look, I made some mistakes, but only I know that I made the mistakes. And that is how growth works. If you check my videos 4 years back, 5 years back, they looked terrible. But with time, with the way I kept on practicing and working towards it, I got better. I got better in my editing skills. I got better in my makeup skills. So I want you to know that every stumble teaches you, every setback strengthens you, and every small victory pushes you closer to the person that you are meant to be. It pushes you closer to the goal that you've set for yourself. It pushes you closer to what you want to be. Your dreams are not random. They are planted within you for a reason, and they are working to you to bring them life. So that is why Every day you sleep, every day you don't want to go for what you need to go for. Every day you don't go for what you have that burning desire to go for. You are letting it slide by. And the question of what if I fail? I want you to replace that question with what if I don't try? What if I don't take the first step? How would I know where I will get to? So this is very important. Try, make an attempt. Do something. Change your course of action. Try something you have never tried before. And when you fail, you can get up and try something else instead of just sitting back and not doing anything at all. Try to work towards those goals that you've set for yourself. Try to start looking for ways to actualize it. And thankfully, this new year that is incoming is a blank page, a fresh start. You don't need to conquer it all at once. You can start small. You can start scared. You can start imperfectly. Just start. You might just surprise yourself of what you are capable of. So when this fear shows up, and it will look you in the eyes and say, I see you, but you don't control me. I will rise anyway. And that is what you'll be saying to it. Because you know that the fear does not control you. You know that despite if you fail, you are still going to get up. And you are still going to actualize those dreams that you have for yourself. Because I know you are stronger than what you know. You are stronger than how you feel. You are stronger than everything you feel people are projecting on you. And your dreams are worth fighting for. They are worth working towards. And I know that you've got this. I know that you can do this. I know this is a list of the things that you are going to conquer. This is the list of the things you are going to achieve next year. This is the list of the things you are going to achieve in your lifetime. And this is why I am motivating you. I am asking you to just try. Start small now. You don't have to wait till the next year. Start small now. And guys, I hope this video touches somebody and helps somebody. And I hope this pushes someone to do what they have always wanted to do in this forthcoming year. Also guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you love the way the look turned out or the way it is looking right now. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to comment. Your comment goes a long way. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or you just want me to explain the makeup that I was sent to do or the makeup that I'm actually doing on this channel. Let me know. I would like to hear your thoughts. I would like to hear what you also want to achieve next year. And remember, to achieve a goal, you have to write it down first. So don't forget to write down your goals. Write it down somewhere. Put it in places where you can see it. For the girlies that love vision boards, please start working on your vision board so you can see where you want to get to by next year. And with that, your mind will start working towards it. Your brain will start getting wired on how to achieve that goals. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are interested in listening to more Aspire to Perspire, like I stated earlier, don't forget to drop your comments. I'll be reading them and I'll be responding. And guys, this brings me to the end of this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I also hope you liked the look I created and you learned a thing or two. And when you are recreating your makeup, you'll be able to recreate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.